Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 12X and let me share with you how to customize and enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this display and brightness section we have to tap on eye comfort. Now let's tap on enable all day, so we will be able to see the changes whilst during the customization, and you can see that after turning it on and the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, it is in order to filter the blue light. You can change the intensity of that filter. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. It's totally up to you. You can also schedule that feature. You can choose the start and the end time just by swiping, set the start and the end, confirm it with OK, and your device will of course apply the eye comfort accordingly. So this is the whole customization. If you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully and find the eye comfort, which is right here. So right now it is turned off. You can tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.